How to change email on Shein account using app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Shein app on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the gear icon at the top right. Here, click on Manage My Account. Then click on Email at the top. Click on Change at the bottom. Verification code will be sent to your mail. Copy the code and then go to Shein app and then paste it in here. After it's pasted, click on email and type in your new email and then press on send verification code. Verification code will be sent. Simply type in the code and press on submit. After that, your email will be changed. This is how to change email on Shein account using app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.